Hello friends! Welcome to WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. I am Adina and I'm your Kyrgyz language tutor. It's time to learn new words in Kyrgyz language. And today we're going to talk about furniture. Let's get it started. Door, eşik. Eşik. Aqlay eşikni jopdi. Aqlay closed the door. Bed, kerebet. Kerebet. Bizden uyda iki kerebet var. We have two beds in the house. Bookshelf. Kitap tekçe. Kitap tekçe. Bardaki kitaplar kitap tekçesinde. All the books are on the bookshelf. Table. Stol. Stol. Stol aşxonada. The table is in the kitchen. Chair. Stul. Stul. Al stulga oturdu. He sat on a chair. Mirror. Күзгү. Күзгү. Жібек күзгүнү карады. Jibek looked at the mirror. Stare. Tepkiç. Tepkiç. Aybek tepkiçten kuladı. Aybek fell down the stairs. Wall carpet. Kilem. Kilem. Har bir Kırgız uyda kilem var. Every Kyrgyz house has a wall carpet. Floor carpet. Palas. Palas. Biz palasımızda ay sayın juybuz. We wash our carpet every month. Sofa. Divan. Divan. Divandın tüsü kızıl. The color of the sofa is red. Wardrobe. Şkaf. Şkaf. Ecem'nin bölmesinde iki şkaf var. There are two wardrobes in my sister's room. Lamp. Çırak. Çırak. Men kitap okuganda çıraқты қолданам. I use a lamp when I read a book. Television. Sınalgı. Sınalgı. Sınalgını үй бүлөгүбүз чогуу көрөбүз. We watch TV with our family. Oftentimes, when we are talking about furniture, we need to talk about its location. Let's go over some words that will help us do that. In English, we often use prepositions to talk about location. These prepositions go before the word they modify. For example, on the table. In Kyrgyz, we use prepositions which go after the word they modify. Behind, артында. In front of, астында. Next to, жанында. Between or in the middle of, ортосунда. Near, жанында. Above or on, üstünde. Below, астында же төмөндө. In, içinde. Let's try to describe the location of items in the room. Stol қайда? Where is the table? Stol çırақтың жанында. The table is near the lamp. Сыналгы қайда? Where's the television? Сыналгы столдун артында. The television is behind the table. Kitaplar kayda? Where are the books? Kitaplar kitap tekçenin üstünde. The books are on the bookshelf. Çırak kayda? Where is the lamp? Çırak üydün içinde. The lamp is in the house. That's it for today. I know it was a lot of information, but I hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. And if you think this lesson was useful, you may like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned. We want you to learn. Görüşünce.